how to change difficulty in Sons of the Forest. So to change the difficulty, you must face a limitation. So there is no in-game setting or slider to change this for an existing save. So the developers intended for you to lock your choice at the start. However, you can bypass this restriction using console commands or by editing your save files. So the first method, of course, is the console command. So load your game, then type in cheat stick. So while you're here, just basically type cheat stick on your keyboard and it should automatically enable our console command. So there is no chat box or prompt, just type it blindly while standing in the game. So if you typed it correctly, pressing F1 will open the debug console, just like this. Now you could set difficulty right here. Set difficulty mode to normal, or you could also set it to hard, peaceful, and hard survival, just like that. And once you have entered it, save your game at a tent or a bed, and the change will persist. Method 2 is the save file editing. So press on Windows plus R on your keyboard and type in app data. Then go to local low, end night, Sons of the Forest, saves your Steam ID, then to whatever you're playing in, let's say multiplayer or single player. So for me, it's a multiplayer one. Then find this game state save data. Click on that, open it with Notepad. Then find the game type right here. So as you can see, it is set to hard. So change it to normal, peaceful, or custom. So whatever you want. After that, you now just simply save the file and exit out. That is how I basically changed difficulty in Sons of the Forest.